After Janjati Suraksha Manch convener Santi Vikas Chakma was transferred and given a show-cause notice by ADC government, West Agartala police, after getting an FIR, are now working with their might to take a strict action against those who speak regarding the religion and community. ADC government has transferred Janjati Suraksha Manch convener Santi Vikas Chakma to Kuai Harep Kuar area. Along with that, he was given a show-cause notice. If no good news is given within a week, then a strict action will be taken against Santi Vikas Chakma, said ADC additional CEO Subal Devarma. On the other hand, after former GS of TSF Zone Devarma raised a voice against those who speak regarding the religion and filed an FIR against Janjati Suraksha Manch convener Santi Vikas Chakma and Tripura University Associate Professor Milan Rani Jamatia, Santi Vikas Chakma was transferred and given a show-cause notice by ADC government. Meanwhile, West Agartala police, after getting an FIR, are now working with their might to take a strict action against those who speak regarding the religion and community. After former GS of TSF, John Devarma filed a complaint against the one who speak against the religion and community, investigation officer called him many times at the police station and took the details of the members of Janjati Suraksha Manch. Likewise, on Saturday, John Devarma went to West Agartala police and gave them a video footage of member of Suraksha Manch.
Police tarik of Janjati Suraksha Manch, Tripura Rinai Borok, Jeta press meet Plainai, Estero delisting Plaina Bagay, Tripura Sarok Law. Especially about Tine Borok, Jeta delisting really Plaina Bagay, Borok Jeta Januman Yaglos, and Texter go effort like that. Tai Titi Dishobo complain the car. Or 13 Tanigo, Hanibai Tini police station Pahana follow up flight Nefeka, Buzertia case of Gutong. The cock Hagan Salaga police of corporate flight tomo, Exxon Nazan is of Borok, and by Sintior Tano Pai, Kisa Ayu Jesongzak, Ayu by Malay, Kong Salateka, Kisa Nasin of Tesha. About Tinis and Sabakamo, some Tanai Terror or the Fenuka ADC. Zara Santi Vikas Chakma, what a Khorang convener, Janjati Suraksha Manch Tripura. Bono suppose notice Zaka, ADC or the Khorang government employee. Obon Sana Yoro Je Omo any personal buya, Amokuno Christiani Bagay Basama buya, Hinel by Basama buya. Omo Kaisini Borok, Dofa, Somati by Basamani, Tan by Kessin Saimano, Tripura Sarongo, or a Porek Kaina Bagay. Omtaja policy with money. Ama Belaka Hamia, Hani Bagay, law being action done to Nidoson, I need to tongue. Tabaike, Tiprasa, Tom Prasad, Tom Taniwo, Omdicate Supurui, Sini, Asol Tipson Tabu, Naharum Town and Nangba, Zerasini focus, the city, Boroni, right, city, fight Kaitomazaga, Ompi Hike, Ubundam focus on loss of Kainamari, Boroni Klaito. Taimobo against Constitution of India. Indian Constitution sao jara India is secular country kuno state religion kari India wo ke sini ST status mo sumamani sing Hindu Christian ngi mania sing status mamani sing forsa hani busa Tripura sangmi sing manu amo je sing Christian boy Hindu ni sune status ria es Tripura sangmi suno siru tambai ke sini way of culture sini jada indigenous borok Tripura sarok Sing different Bunisai. So, how again is settlers? Singapore indigenous Borok. First settlers or how Tripura Sarok, sing indigenous Borok. Singagi SC Nikrisini. Since that's India by joint Kevin Yagolo say, Indian constitution provide Kaina in Tripura Sarana protect Hanango, Borok, Kamai Tangashi, Bonum Tripura Sarana as Sudanango. Reservation Dargay. Hanway Suna ST rule, Suna ST religion basis or ya. Tai Simon Abano, the Agisini, some conflict of STS security, Boga and time of Tongfu, almost India with John Kaman Yaglosi, Kintu Bonuma undemocratic, fully undemocratic. Tamba guess in Simon, Baka undemocratic, Indian constitution of permit play as a state religion or Bonani. Tai Baka Bob basis of the Tripura or a political Tripura or a political Boromia, Kasareli. खालायनाय दङ नामा बेलाय जाया हायनो बाय पुलिसनो कमप्लेन मा खालायखिया अथरिटिनो कमप्लेन मा खालाय एक्शन लानानै बागै लिगेल एक्शन लानानै बागै
बरक बो बाहाय रकक साथाव
बरक ताबुक इन्वेस्टिगेशन खालाय दङ under 157 CRPC खालायबो दंखा सलि दङ दिनै हायना आयु बे मालाय फैका जरा आयु चंजाक अ जे मेटास नट एफआर कपि नट एफआर खजामन पिनाय आयु प्रोसेस खालाय दङ बसाव बर एक्शन लानाय
Former GS of TSF, John Deburma, also said that along with Janjati Suraksha Manch's convener Shanti Vikas Chakma, police are also trying their best to take a strict action against Tripura University Associate Professor Milan Rani Jomatia. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.